Rahim, Minister IT, Cabinet colleagues, fellow parliamentarians, industry participants, a very good morning. It's an absolute pleasure to be here, as Chairman PTA just mentioned, at a very, very historic moment. I've been associated with this effort as chairing the Spectrum Committee over the last, I would say, year and a half, where we did a lot of deliberations in terms of how we put the framework together in terms of the spectrum auction. And it was a question of revenue optimization and balancing it out with creating the right ecosystem so that we can accelerate the digital journey of Pakistan. Minister साहब, आपने मेरे से अभी जिक्र किया कि ये आपकी क़यादत में 21 में when you were the IT minister that this whole process started. So I think it's great that we're here today to also see it going through the finishing line. So I just want to credit you as well because administrations come and go, but the continuity of that policy, I'm sure it's a great day for you as well to see what you actually kick-started, and today we are indeed here when the auction is going to take place. I'm just going to mention a couple of other things that with respect to how this is going to be an enabler. I mean, I've always said digital is not an end in itself. It's means to an end. Faster, cheaper, better. It's as simple as that. I mean, and then you can get into all the use cases, etc. And of course, there are enough use cases here. The whole IT industry and IT services is one of the biggest upsides, and what is happening now in terms of exports. Provide the ecosystem. When I say that we need to, when we talk about jobs, when we talk about the private sector has to lead the country, this is exactly what the government should be doing, is providing the ecosystem and helping out with that ecosystem, whether it's on the freelancer side or whether the Prime Minister's initiative in terms of taking digital Pakistan forward, digital infrastructure, the whole, the payment rails, getting all the government payments digitized, etc., all important. And of course, as we move towards the new economy, whether it's AI, whether it's blockchain, whether it's Web 3.0, all of this is going to be helped in terms of the spectrum availability and as we move into 5G. And the last thing I would just mention is that what was announced by the Prime Minister yesterday. This is where all of this becomes extremely critical in terms of crisis, to move seamlessly into online education, working from home, and whatever wherever we get in terms of greater spectrum and better connectivity, etc., I'm sure is going to help us, as I mentioned, in terms of the seamless transition as we negotiate the current oil crisis. With that, I again want to thank all the members of the Spectrum Committee who brought us to this day. Come up, do what is required, and I wish you all the very best and Godspeed. Thank you.
PTA के ज़ेर-ए-तमाम 5G स्पेक्ट्रम नीलामी की इफ्तिताही तकरीब